Hey, welcome back. So, you just got your new Soforia Modular Velvet Sofa. Let's get this thing set up. First, take out all the sofa modules and accessories out of the box. Check and make sure you have all the parts. Next, attach the screws to the backrest connecting plates, and don't forget to tighten them properly. Then, screw the legs into the nut holes at the bottom of each module. Tighten them firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten. Now, place the backrest into position, align it with the slots, and gently press down until it clicks into place. Lay the sofa down softly onto the floor. Make sure all the connections are secure, and give those legs one more gentle tighten. And just like that, your modular sofa is assembled. Time to place the seat cushions and throw pillows. Check it out! It's crazy soft and comfy. Don't forget to do a quick quality check before moving on. Now, here's the cool part. You can arrange the modules in different configurations. Check this out! Also, some of these bases even have hidden storage. How awesome is that? You can even adjust the armrest to different angles depending on your preference. Finally, locate the connectors that link the sections together. Make sure everything is locked in tight. And that's it! You're all done. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your awesome new sofa. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.